to Excel Academy. So in this video, we shall be discussing the top reasons why students find it difficult to pass ICAN case study. So from my research, I've realized that this course ICAN case study is said to be the second most dreadiest, that is, second most difficult course that students find it difficult to pass. So, but before we dive in, let's talk about the profile of the tutor, that is myself. So, I am Ahmed Suluka. I'm popularly known as Case Study Guru, and I've tutored over 5,000 chartered accountants, both online and physical. I've got great track records of high-performing students. My students are known for scoring top scores in ICAN exams. Also, I am the founder of Excel Academy, a topmost edtech institution that offers quality online and on-demand courses for ICAN, CITN, CIBN, CIPM, ICAN, ACCA. So we're also still planning to venture into CIMA and the likes. So also we offer training on QuickBooks and Sage. Not only training, installation of softwares and the likes. Before we discuss the reasons, let me walk you through some of my previous student results so you can be encouraged. So here is the first one. This is my student Nonye, who had 92% in ICAN case study, a prize-worthy score. There are some other criteria she didn't meet. That's why she wasn't given the prize. So that's what. Also look at it. We have 71%. We have 73%. And some also had 80-something%. Yeah, you can see we have 70, we have 80, like that. So my students are known for scoring high. My students are known for scoring high in the ICAN exams. I believe you also want to score high in the ICAN exam, so ensure you don't miss a bit of this video. So before we discuss the first reason why students fail ICAN case study, I need to inform you about the upcoming case study Preseen Analysis class, which will be held on the 5th and 12th of May 2024. Ensure you don't miss the Preseen Analysis class. Send the message to the number showing at the bottom of the screen. Yeah, so send me a WhatsApp message to enroll for the Preseen Analysis. Now, let's go back to the first reason. The number one is interpretation skill. So apparently, your case study is well crafted. It is well designed, and everything you need, to analyze the case study is inside. So basically, you literally have no excuse. Another thing is that every word in your case study, it has its own meaning and it has its own impact on your analysis. For example, now I will tell you that the company in question did not allow its employees to organize labor union. So you would agree with me that to you it might just be a normal sentence. To you, it might just be a normal sentence. That is, you might just read it as a normal sentence, but with a sound interpretation skill, you'll be able to derive that what this company is doing in this sentence is absolutely wrong. Number one is that the company is breaching labor law, because, what the labor law is saying is that, the employee should give the employees the free will to organize the labor union so that they can express their opinion, their concerns concerning the work ethics, the work environment, or the working conditions to the management. But if the organization is now preventing the employees from organizing the labor union, then definitely there is an issue. So not only that, also it's an ethical issue. So this is just an example. That's, to tell you how vital this interpretation skill is. So it is very, very vital. So, and I'll be telling you more about the interpretation skill in the Preseen Analysis class. So that is why you shouldn't miss it. Another cogent reason why students find it difficult to pass case study exam is the time management skill. So literally we all know that the time given to write the case study exam is 4 hours, right? Apparently, you would have a lot to write. This 4 hours, it would look like 4 minutes. Yes, I need to be honest with you. I mean, you would have a lot to write. But the thing is, what you're writing, you have to ensure that it is exactly what the examiner wants, for you to pass the exam. And here is it now. Sometimes some students can end up investing most of their time in what attracts few marks. For example, appendices. So your appendices, basically, it carries 10 marks. So imagine a student wasting like 2 hours to 3 hours on appendices. That is why some students score marks like 5, 7, and the likes. Yes, so it's majorly because of they are investing their time on stuffs that does not attract much marks. Let me just highlight some aspect that attract a lot of the examiner's marks. Example is the executive summary, which has 20 marks. So, I mean, I believe you understand the impact of 20 marks on your exam success. So, you need to ensure that you manage your time very, very well. So, and how to manage this time, the detailed explanation of how to manage your time in the case study exam would be given in the Preseen Analysis class. So, you need to ensure that you don't miss it. So, just send me a message to the number below on WhatsApp. So, I look forward to seeing your chat. So, now let's go to the next. So the next is your analytical skill. So this is also very, very vital and important. I mean, your 2 requirements here, you would be needing this analytical skill. Yes. So basically for this analytical skill, for example, imagine you using your gross profit margin or your net profit margin, moving from 30% last year to 25% this year. So, I mean, most students might not be able to tell the impact of this, but you just need to tell us what made the profit margin to decline. Doing further analysis, we can ascertain that, okay, it is as a result of the drop in the revenue. So, what made revenue to drop to? Ineffective sales promotion strategies can cause revenue to drop. So, these are your reasons. These are what makes up your analytical skill. These are what make it detailed and comprehensive. So this particular skill here is very, very important, and not just your financial data alone, not financial data too. You have to be analytical, and all these will be taught in the Preseen Analysis class. Now let's go to the next. So this is inadequate reporting skill. Yes. So basically, I understand that most people writing these exams were employees, we are top executives and the likes. So, but I need to bring to your notice that, yes, I'm aware that you are writing a report in your organization. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, but I just need to tell you that the format for writing this case study report, it's special. Case study report has its own format. So you need to ensure that you're not confusing the format of writing the report in your office. You need to ensure that you're not confusing it with the case study format. Ensure you follow the case study format of writing a report. So, and all this will be taught in the Preseen Analysis class. So basically, let me just give you an highlight. You start with your cover page, your executive summary, and the likes, your introduction, So all these things has to be followed religiously. And guess what? The case study guru is here to help you with that. Now, the last but not the least reason why students find it difficult to pass ICAN case study is failure to attempt the 2 requirements. I've had situations where my student will tell me that I was referred to you by one of your students that passed, and I just realized that last night, I didn't attempt the 2 requirements. I only did the first requirement. So, I mean, I've observed this a lot, from students. So I just need to tell you, I just need to let you know that attempting the 2 requirements is key. It's just like you giving yourself a guarantee that, yes, I've passed case study. Yeah, and here is the limitation here. The time here can be a limiting factor. Yes, I'm aware. The time can be a limiting factor. Sometimes you might just be too engrossed in requirement 1, forgetting that you have requirement 2. So in this case now, I'll be teaching you how you would manage your time, efficiently, to ensure that you attempt these 2 requirements. So ensure you don't leave the exam hall without attempting these 2 requirements. Yes, that's just my takeaway for you. That's it. So now let me walk you through an important aspect of this video. So this is the case study live class. So in this case study live class, many of my students that have joined in the previous class are giving testimonies of them passing the exam excellently. And I want you to give your testimony by the time this direct result is released. So ensure you don't miss the live class, which is happening on the 5th and 12th of May, 2024. So, and send a message to the phone number that is showing below. Send me a message now on WhatsApp to join the Preseen Analysis class. So, and I believe may Almighty God crown our effort. So ensure you also share this video. Yeah, share it with your colleagues that are preparing for ICAN case study. Don't be a stingy friend. Cheers.